Texas, eastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southwestern Magnolia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Alvin and Brookside Village around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Maryland, Friendswood, southwestern South Ellington, and greater Hobby area around 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and nearly to flooded roads. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGG68, Houston, Texas. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGG68, Houston, Texas. This is your NOAA weather radio. After our humiliation by going over to the country that he referred to as a pariah nation, Saudi Arabia, to meet with the man, MBS, source, radar indicated rotation, killing, and like his, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. And he was begging OPEC Plus, begging the Saudis to increase oil production. I don't quite understand why when vehicles will occur. You know, what impact is there a different impact on Mother Earth? The import oil from Iran or Venezuela or Central Standard Time or Russia versus producing it here, so I would argue it was here with the container, we would do it faster with those regions. So I think that made any sense to me. And then Joe Biden was not only told that they would increase production, that they were on an increase in production of 2 million barrels a day. And then the Saudis got angry with Joe Biden said that there would be consequences and realignment of our relationships. And they announced to the world that Joe Biden requested that they delay the decision until after the midterm election. Now, why do I believe that if Joe Biden wanted to make Trump or any other Republican, that would be viewed as by the media and by Democrats as some type of collusion to impact our election? South Ellington and greater Hobby area around 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to into a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows and vehicles will occur. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pasadena, northwestern Baytown, Deer Park, South Houston, Channelview, Highlands, Cloverleaf, Barrett, Northern Clear Lake, northeastern Southbelt Ellington, Greater Hobby Area, Gulf Coast, or Belfort Reveille, San Jacinto State Park, Houston Ship Channel, Ellington Field, Meadowbrook, or Allendale and Edgebrook area. This includes the following low water crossings: General Red Bluff Road at Armand Bale, Woodford Street at Carpenter's Bale, Garth Road at Goose Creek East Fork, Evelyn Wilson Park Road at Barry Bale, Market Street at tributary of Carpenter's Bale, West 13th St. Green Shadow Drive at Bridge, Schwann 34 Independence Parkway at Lynchburg Ferry and Edgebrook Drive. Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become...
Darn it!
This is your NOAA weather radio station, TGG6.
They're all your friends. They wouldn't talk to you. They wouldn't want to be interviewed by you. They wouldn't want to interview you. They wouldn't want to talk to you. They wouldn't want to have a...
Oh, you're sending me home for the weekend with a, with a self-esteem problem. Go ahead.
It's not a self-esteem problem. The point is, it happened, but over them.
You can have your political disagreements. And you can speak out loudly. NFL players usually have a pretty big platform outside of the game. And they can certainly use that platform to raise money and make things better in the cities they live in.
Exactly right there.
Okay?
You do
have people who do that, and if people are not fair enough. But you also have people who don't believe in politics at all. They believe it was real life issues being confronted. And that was confronting, but just in the interpretation of it is political.
Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur
certain vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can be cut.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pasadena, northwestern Baytown, Deer Park, South Houston, Channelview, Highlands, Cloverleaf, Barrett, Northern Clear Lake, northeastern Southfield Ellington, Greater Hobby Area, Gulf Coast, or Belfort Reveille, San Jacinto State Park, Houston Ship Channel, Ellington Field, Meadowbrook, or Allendale and Edgebrook area. This includes the following low water crossings: General Red Bluff Road at Armand Bale, Woodford Street at Carpenter's Bale, Garth Road at Goose Creek East Fork, Evelyn Wilson Park Road at Barry Bale, Market Street at tributary of Carpenter's Bale, West 13th St. Green Shadow Drive at Bridge, 134 Independence Parkway at Lynchburg Ferry and Edgebrook Drive. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Miles per hour. A wind gust 61 miles per hour was observed at Scottsville in association with the storm. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Galveston Pier 21, Silicon Island, Galveston Pleasure Pier, Bolivar Peninsula, Crystal Beach, and in Fort Baltimore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is your NOAA weather radio station king, HP40.
You don't get that anxiety back. You don't get the sense of security back.
move to an